Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to secure your Excel document with a password, how you can make it secure and send that to someone that in order for them to open the Excel document, they need a password from you. So this is my Excel document. Now you want to go to File, click on File, and on your right side, the first one, Protect Workbook. There's a drop-down menu. You want to click on the drop-down menu and select Encrypt with password. So I'm going to type a password. Click OK. It asks you for the password again. Click OK. And now the Excel document is encrypted with a password. Now if I close out of this, you need to save it. So this is the document. I open it and it asks me for a password. I enter the password. Now in order to remove the password from the document, you go back to File, click on the drop-down menu on Protect Workbook, select Encrypt with Password, and you just delete the password. Click OK. You want to save it. And when I open back the Excel document, no password is required. So that's how you encrypt Excel file with a password. You can also do this with a Word document. This is just an example. Click on File. Under the Info, Protect Document, click on the drop-down menu, Encrypt with Password. I'm going to type a simple password. Click OK. Re-enter the password. Click OK. Now it's encrypted. When you X out here, you must save it. And it is saved. Now when I open back the document, it's going to ask for the password. And this is it. Now, in order to remove the password, click on File. In Protect Document, click on the drop-down menu, Encrypt with Password, and just delete the password. Click OK. You must save it. And now there's no password. I hope this video was helpful to you and I thank you for watching.